Question 8. It is an extract. The line you will search from the drama, the play, but at present you will write ... Of all the fools ever let loose on a field of battle, that man must be the very maddest. A. To whom is the soldier referring here? How does he describe the actions of this person on the battlefield? Write down the answer. The soldier is here referred to Sergius. The soldier is here referred to Sergius, Rainer's would-be husband. Rainer's would-be husband. Next part. The man was depicting the actions of Sergius. The man was depicting the actions of Sergius as Don Quisto. Don Quiste, that is a Spanish word. Don Quiste, spelling, it is already written in your book. Don Quiste, full stop. The man tried to present Sergius. The man tried to present Sergius as a humorous character in the battlefield before Raina. The man tried to present Sergius as a humorous character in the battlefield before Raina. B. The question of B. Guys, turn page 120. What is the soldier's opinion about this person's action? What is his tone and attitude towards this person while describing his action? Why does he behave in this way? So guys, B. The soldier wanted to say that he was a funny character. He means Sergius. The soldier wanted to say that he was a funny character or unmanaged person. Unmanaged person. Full stop. Because he presented him before Raina with humor and wit. Because he presented him before Raina with humor and wit. Full stop. He behaved in this way. He behaved in this way to show Raina that her beloved, B-E-L-O-V-E-D, that her beloved was not an extraordinary person with heroic characteristics. Not an extraordinary person with heroic characteristics. C. In what way is the soldier's opinion? In what way is the soldier's opinion about the cavalry charge different from Raina's perception of the same event? The answer is, according to the soldier, the cavalry charge was entirely unprofessional. Full stop. He gave an example of handful of peas against window pane, P-A-N-E, pane, against window pane. Whoever will be the first, comma, death is certain. And then the entire troop will be crushed within short span of time, and the entire troop will be crushed within short span of time. So guys, and then once again question 9, that means question 10 and question 9, you have to solve yourself.